In this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. So if I were to open up Snapchat and go to top right and on my friends list, and let's just say I want to remove this person as a friend, I would remove them, and then all I need to do is go back, click on find friends and type it in and it would show. But if it's not showing up, go back, click on your profile, click on add friends, and here you will type in the friend username and you will find them here. As you can see, it's right over here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.